Okay, guys, please, can you hear me? If you can hear me, kindly type, um, kindly respond so I will know that it is coming. You can hear me loud and clear. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please kindly type so that we can do this analysis. Can you hear me? Please let me know if you can hear me, if everything is set. Okay. Kindly type if you can hear me. Okay, good. So you can hear me. That's powerful. That's powerful. So we want to do analysis for the week, and let me put this one on the page. Okay. So we want to see the direction of gold coming this week, right? So let's start. We don't have all day. So currently we saw that the market is very bullish. The market is very bullish. Okay, and we want to make the most out of it coming week. We really want to make the most out of it coming week. So first and foremost, okay, we can see some bullish engulfing over here. We can see that the market has come to create or came to the support area, which is this point, right? Very necessary to take note. This place, the market has gotten to this point, which is a support area. Okay, but one thing I want you to take note, let me type this one so that it will make sense. So we are working with this 2530 is the support. So we are working with this support. Okay, this is the support we are working with. Please, if you can hear me, type that you can hear me. Okay, so that I'll be sure. No need to repeat. Okay, so type if you can hear me. Okay, so let me know. So this is a support zone or a buy zone. Normally the support zone is the same as the buy zone. Okay, yeah, please, if you can hear me, kindly type you can hear me so I will know. So this is what we are working with. This is a support zone, right? Very necessary to work with. Okay, but this is the figure we want to go with. We want to work with 2530 as the support area. Okay, and okay, good, you can hear me. So as it stands now, okay, the market has made great fall. Okay, gold really dropped. Okay, so what are we expecting now? We are expecting the market to now go and make some correction at the top there, right? So this is it is likely that the market will come to this point and then get to the support, okay, one more time, and then make the correction over here. These are the places sorry, let me be sure. This is the support. It will come to the support area. So we are working with the 2530 as the support, okay, and then there's likelihood that the market will maybe make some move over here, break this. This is, I want to work with this resistance. This is the resistance I want to work with. Let me change this one. I want to work with this resistance, and I'll explain why. I want to work with this one. So this area is what I wanted to work with. Okay, so we move this one over there. Okay, and what is that? That is 256. 256 is the resistance area. Okay, so we want to work with that one. So that is the resistance to work with. So resistance zone. Okay, so that's the resistance zone, right? Yeah. The reason for which I want us to work with this resistance, so definitely the market will go up. The market will definitely go up. Okay. The reason is that it wants to go and make what we call correction. Okay. Yes. Make that correction, and then so that is the correction. If it doesn't maybe range over there, okay, we expect it to make some ranges over here before, if it will come down, it will come down. Now this is what I'm working with. I'm working with this area, I'm working with this area, I'm working with this area. Then this is the possible place that the market is likely to make the correction. Now if the market breaks above 2605 or 2609, okay, then we should look for the possible place, which is this one. Okay, so let me type it. 2. So the resistance area, let me type, which one is this one? 6. Okay, we type this one. So 2608 or 5. Let's use 5. Okay, yes, we use 5 for the resistance. We are using 5 for the resistance. Okay, but if it breaks above 8, okay, we go for the possible place, which is this trend line. You can see the green line. The green line is the trend line. So it is, if it breaks above it, okay, if the price above 2608 or 9, we are targeting, you target a buy, you wait for a retest. Okay, you wait for a retest. Okay, and then you buy 2. The nearest possible place for resistance is this one, this area. Okay, so what is it? That's almost 26800. Okay, so we work with that one. So this place 26800, 26, what is that? 2, yeah, 268 rather. Let's run it. 2680. Okay, so we work with this one, right? So if it breaks above, you target to let me reduce this one. Okay, wait for a retest and buy to the nearest resistance, which is 2680. Okay, so we work with this one. So we have the first resistance is this place. Okay, if it breaks above, so whatever it is, if it gets to this point, we sell. Okay, if it gets to this point, we just sell, right? Sorry, if it gets to this point, you sell. But if it breaks above, that's what I wanted you to take note. If it breaks above it, right, then it means that we are going for, if it breaks above it, it means that we are going for, let me delete this line. Okay, we are going for this one. And the reason is that it is more or less like creating what we call Quasimodo, right? Right. So this is what we are working with. I will explain quickly. Now you see, the correction is going to be, we have okay, then we have this one. So if I deepen it, let's say we make it black, so we have our left shoulder here, the head is over here, then the right is also over here. Okay, so that is what we are looking forward to see. Okay, that is what we are looking forward to see. So when the price gets to 265, we sell. If it gets to 2530, which is this one, we buy. Okay, we buy over here. So in this case, what I would rather do is that I would rather target the buy, okay, for the next leg, and then we go for the buy. Do you get it? Yes, because definitely it is going to buy. The next place, assuming it breaks below it, if it breaks below this, okay, assuming it breaks below, if it breaks below it, this is what we are going to encounter. If it breaks below the support, which is 2530, okay, then the possible place, which is the support, is going to be 248. Okay, yeah, which is a support. That is if it breaks below. Okay, if it breaks below, so take note, if it breaks below, let's check, maybe 19 or 18, then we look for a retest, and then we, so if it breaks below, okay, if price break below, then you put it over there, 518, we sell. Okay, we look for a sell, we look for a sell. Okay, we look for a sell. Okay, to this point. Okay, yeah. So as it stands now, what we will be doing is that we are going to go for long. I am going to go for a buy all the way to this point. Okay, so this is what we should be working with. Right, this is what we are working with. So I've shared the bigger picture. So the head and shoulder, we are waiting for some correction to be made at the top. The top we are having 2605, okay, or 2600 if you want to run it over. Okay, 2600, okay, or 26, but it is on 265. So that's why I've left it. But if we should look at it from a zone angle, right, then it's going to be 2600 to 2605. Then we sell from there. Do you understand? Yeah. So we wait for the next leg, we buy from there all the way for the correction to be made. Do you understand? Yes, all the way to the top. If it breaks above 2609, then we go for a buy again on this one all the way to 2680, which is the possible place for resistance. Okay, yeah, this one, this place. Okay, yes. So I've indicated all these places in case maybe you want to practice it on your own. Okay, you can just look at it and then it will be of a blessing to you, right? Yeah. So just take note, we are dealing with the down, which is this place. We are dealing with this place and waiting for it over here too. Okay, yeah, before we sell. So if you fail to buy all the way to that point, then it means that when it gets to that zone, you sell. That's the resistance possible area to sell. Okay, yes, point of interest, very necessary. So you can sell from that point. If it breaks above it, I've given you the note. If the price break above it, okay, then what it means is that we are going to wait for a retest, and then what? And then you buy. Okay, so this very necessary. Okay, so if you miss the buy, target the sell. The sell is going to be 2600 or 2605 as the resistance area. I've given you the reasons. Okay, these are the reasons. Okay, for which we are going to buy sell from that place. Okay, take note of that. Or if, let me just take this one and make good use of the other one. Maybe this one looks messy, so let's use let me use this one. Maybe this one will make sense. Okay, so these are the places. Okay, so we wait for one over here. This is what we are waiting for, and that is a correction, okay, before the sell. If it goes above that, then we look for this one, the next one, which is this resistance. Okay, this is also a resistance which we should work with, and this resistance is going to be under, you see, like a trend line. When you see a trend line, this a trend line, when it breaks, okay, it will make some correction on the beneath the trend line, whether up trend line. This, in this case, this is up trend line, and then you sell from here. So this becomes your sell zone. Okay, then you sell from here. Guys, do you get it? So then you sell from here. So typically this is the trend line. That's the uptrend line. If I deepen it, the green line, okay. If it refuses to fall from this point, but it breaks above it, then we target this area, okay, which is 2680. Okay, that's the resistance area. We target that one, this one. Okay, yes. So just take note of what is happening. That one too, I can okay, so I've circled it so you can see it. One is here, we have another one here, that's the breakout. Then maybe we look at this one, then we target this area. Do you understand? I know I'm making the page messy, but I want you to get what is happening. So these are the places we are looking forward to buy. Okay, yes. And I've told you, if it happens to breaks below this, we look for a sell all the way to this point. Okay, all the way to this point. So guys, let's take note of what I am sharing with you. Very necessary, very necessary. Okay, yes. This bullish engulfing has confirmed that this area is a support. Okay, yeah, so this is a support, so we are going to work with this one. Okay, so whatever the issue, you can decide to, if places to short, we have this point. Okay, we have these places, so take note where you'll be taking your shots. Very necessary. It's very necessary. This, we have this area. Okay, then we have another one here. We have 1, 2 here. Okay, yes. So the buy 2, we have one here, then we have another one here. So 3 things: 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. But as it stands now, we are going for a buy. Okay, so we take this one out and work with 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is one thing I want you guys to take note of. I believe so strongly that maybe some of you will take maybe a screenshot or something for some, maybe if you want to mimic it on your charts, why not? Okay, yes. So that is that for tonight. And this week analysis, that is on the 18th to 22nd of November. Okay, of November 2024. So this setup is for this week. And maybe for people asking, I know someone may be asking, this one is gold analysis. Okay, maybe for those who will happen to ask, this is gold. So if you are to ask, this is gold. Yeah, gold analysis. So that is it for today. And you know, I will definitely be showing, I'll show up. Okay, I'll show up on our page. So definitely I'm not going to go. I will assist you guys. Okay, all the way. I will not leave. So 1, 2, 3, and then we are looking forward for this area. Right. Yeah. So we are done. If you have any question or anything, you can just leave your comments or suggestions.